Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by listing the givens, position, initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration, time, and immediately pick 2 to 3 numbers you trust. Once done, choose the kinematic equation that contains those variables because that minimizes algebra. Make sure to set a sign convention and origin before manipulating symbols. This prevents sign errors later. Also convert units now meters, seconds, kilograms, so every term matches. Now isolate the unknown variable algebraically and prepare to substitute numbers. With the equation selected, rearrange it cleanly to isolate the unknown variable. Do not expand unnecessarily. Then substitute the numeric values, keeping units consistent and writing units alongside numbers as a check. Work stepwise. Perform additions/subtractions before multiplications when they appear in separate steps, and keep parentheses to preserve intended order. Check signs after each algebraic move because a negative acceleration flips motion direction. Finally, compute numerically with a calculator and retain sensible significant figures. Finish by verifying units in physical sense. Distance must be meters, time in seconds, and velocity in meters per second. Once done, cross-check using a different kinematic equation or a limiting case. For example, set a equals 0 to see if formulas reduce correctly. If the result seems wrong, make sure to reevaluate sign convention, unit conversion, and each algebraic manipulation step. Often a misplaced minus or mismatched unit causes the entire error. One key troubleshooting tip: plug.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.